And you're back, but we're not gonna talk about books. Instead, we're gonna talk about Discord. And this is mainly for my Patreon members that have been signing up and joining our Discord group. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. It is ever so much appreciated. So those who may not have an inkling of what I'm talking about, Discord is a community chat-based program that we use to communicate with one another and share resources with one another like files and or images. It's kind of like a Facebook Messenger and a forum from long ago had a baby, and Discord was the wonderful thing that became the baby. So, the reason I decided to start with this versus getting into more book content is this will just save a lot of headache later on and a lot of confusion. So we're going to knock out this series over the next few days here, and then we're going to go on to books. We'll be back to books. There'll be so much books, more books, and more books, I promise you. So let's go ahead and get the screen share going. Sharing the screen. Still sharing the screen, and I'm hoping it's loaded now. Should be. So, you're going to head over to discord.com over here, and once you're there, ignore everything you're seeing except what's at the top here. Go ahead and click the one that says download. And then once that page is loaded, again, ignore everything you're seeing and just scroll on down to the second section here. It says download for desktop. Those already signed up on the Patreon. You probably signed up with the browser version, maybe the mobile version when it prompted you to. Okay, these exist. These are things, but they are inferior in every way to the desktop version. You'll really want to download one of these three options, whether you're a Mac user, a Windows user, or if you're the lucky unicorn in the corner, the Linux user. So once you've got it downloaded, you should have a Discord logo icon either on your desktop or in your downloads. Go ahead and open that up, and it should look something like mine. It's not going to look exactly like mine because I'm a part of multiple servers and things. But if you have the little logo here, you've done it correctly. Good job. And we're going to start here with the server info. Yeah, it goes over rules. We got them. Only four. Most important one, don't be a jerk McJerk face. Don't upload naughty things. Don't spam. Stop it. And yeah, number four here. See the first one. Again, don't be a jerk McJerk face. You get some special Discord roles if you interact with the server. So the more you communicate and talk with one each other, you will get a special little title, like mine says Shepherd of Classics, and your name will be assigned a color. Mine right now is orange. Orange is cool. We got Halloween coming up. I'm prepared. Look at me. So, when you first join, though, you will start off as a shepherdling. Hey, look, she's a shepherdling. Good job, Rebecca. And again, you'll get one every so often, the more you level up. Says I'll email you the Zoom info when we do a meeting. So going over here, this is a category called news and feeds, and it's collapsible. These things are highlighted because something has spoken in them. But you see, as I click, they'll go away if I expand and reopen. They're the last thing I clicked on. So I'll click here so it works right. See, I collapsed the entire thing. Then I can expand the entire thing. So this little arrowhead makes it go away, makes it come back. Yay. Um, all of these channels are read-only channels, and they stand for different things. Like this one. A lot of book feed videos will go here. A lot of book reselling videos will go here. Oh no, you're not paying, but you're getting free information anyway. Well, yeah. And then this just goes over my consignment thing I got going on. These are awards. See, this tells me when I leveled up, tags me, and I'm a shepherd level 4. Man, I'm working really hard. This is go over the news and announcements. And yeah, there's the first video that you've probably already watched. The only thing you can really do here is add little emojis, or reactions rather. Like see, we got a fire emoji from Troy. Good job, Troy. So once you're done combing through these, I would just head on down to Chatter, say hi, or you can click this little GIF button and drop a GIF like I did with this hello thing. Or I could say, hi, this is for the video. And so, I'm a real boy. Yeah, there you go. They'll have no idea what I'm talking about, but that's okay. They don't need to know. What happens on the video stays on the video, right? And I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it. We I'll go over more in the other series. I think that is enough for now. If I went too quick, well, it's a video. You can rewatch it because that's what they're for, right? Um, Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you for the time for leaving a comment. Thank you for the time for subscribing. And thank you for signing up to the Patreon for those that have. We're going to end the meeting now.